Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'm going to be sharing a few more hadiths from Riyaz Salihin, the book of Miscellany. So the first hadith for today, hadith number 35 is Ata bin Abu Rabah reported that Ibn Abbas asked him whether he would like that he show him a woman who is from people of Jannah, so a woman of paradise. So when he replied he certainly would, then he said, the black woman who came to the Prophet and said, I suffer from epilepsy and during fits my body is exposed. So make supplication to Allah for me. Prophet ﷺ replied, if you wish to endure it patiently, meaning if you wish to endure these fits patiently, and you will be rewarded Jannah for that. Or if you wish, I shall make supplication to Allah to cure you. So she said that I shall endure it patiently, but my body is exposed, so pray to Allah that it may not happen, that when the fits occur, then my body does not get exposed. So she asked the Prophet to pray that. Prophet ﷺ then supplicated for her, and so she bear that condition with patience. This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. The next hadith is hadith number 37. Prophet ﷺ said, never a believer is stricken with a discomfort, an illness, an anxiety, a grief, or mental worry, or even the pricking of a thorn, but Allah will expiate his sins on account of his patience. This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. Next hadith, hadith number 39. Prophet ﷺ said, he whom Allah intends good, he makes him suffer from some affliction. This hadith is from Bukhari. Next hadith, the last hadith for today is hadith number 40. Prophet ﷺ said, let not one of you wish for death because of a misfortune which befalls him. If he cannot help doing so, then he should say, O Allah, keep me alive as long as you know that life is better for me, and make me die when the death is better for me. This hadith is from Bukhari and Muslim. That's all for today. Fi amanillah.